Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at is my Power Lead system, marketing system that I use each and every day. And I would like to say welcome to my video. And the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to swap any video on any page with the Power Lead system. Okay, we're going to copy and then we're going to place a video inside of a page that we copy. First, you want to go up to websites, go down to web pages, and then go over to copy web pages. And what we want to do, we're going to go down and find a page that has a video in it. Down. Here's one right here. So what I'm going to do is select this page, and I'm going to place a email only space for them to put in their email address. And then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and says make me a copy. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to disregard this. I'm going to create a subdomain for this right quick, and I'm going to say Marlon's video page. Okay, that's going to be my subdomain. My main domain name is Market with Marlon. So anytime I want to make a subdomain, I just put the name right in front of the Market with Marlon in this space right here. And I think I'll change that name. Copy video training. Okay, we're going to go on down. And this is just the purpose of showing you how to copy and place your own video code inside. Okay, we're going to save changes. We're going to put a background on that. We're going to select this one right here. Now we're going to go over here and check out the 83 background pages we have, or images we have. I think I'll check out this car right here. So that would be my background, the car. And we're gonna save changes. Let's go on down. When you see your page, you creating your page, you copying your page, you made your subdomain and everything. What you want to do is put a video inside of that page, making your video instead of the one that's already in there. We're gonna double click this frame right here, and the video URL is going to come up, and all you have to do is go over to YouTube. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a video inside of, I'm going to put this video I'm making inside of that, but I'm going to show you how to go to YouTube and copy the code. And I'm going to choose from one of my videos that I've already made. I just type in my name. Marlon Carter. these are my videos here. Just for illustration, I'm just going to let's pick out this one right here. And this is my video, and up at the top you will see the URL. I don't like that one. Let's do this one right here. Okay, we're going to pause that right quick. We're going to go up here to the top. You want to copy the 11 codes after the equal sign. Copy. Right click, copy, and then we're going to go back over to the page where we have brought up the video code, and we're going to look at the code now. You got youtube.com/embed. Right behind that embed / you want to put your code. Make sure it's no spaces, and you're going to go all the way down to the question mark. Then you're going to select it, right click, and you paste it. You paste that in, and then you click OK. Okay, and then you save your changes. And now we're going to view the page. You can do any video like this, any page that has a video inside of Power Lead system. You can put your own video. There's my video right there, see? And you see my background, the car in the background. And that's good. And all this, you can revise it because you have copied this page. You can revise it to say what you would want to or not. You can click edit text. And right here, you can select it and then start typing what you want it to say. I've learned that the Power Lead system is the best marketing system online. Now I can select that. I can make the font bigger. Go in here, go up to size. I can make it a 24. Okay, it's bigger, see? And right here I can take this out if I want to. I make it all mine instead of having anything else to do with anybody else. I can make it all mine. I'm going to make that another color. As you can see, all I have to do is save it. Boom. We're going to view the page. And that's it. That's it right there. See what I put in there? I've learned that the Power Lead system is the best marketing system online, and you see my video inside. And right here, I didn't take that out. It's Harry expires February the 24th. Today is the 24th. They get them a time limit. They put in their email address here, and they will click yes, let me in. You have to put in an email address. But anyway, that's it. That's the page created. That's all it is to it. You can make your own capture page. You can copy a page and put in your own video. And that's the way to do it. I'm Marlon Carter. This is the Power Lead System, a marketing system that I love to promote my own business, my primary business, and you can do the same thing. It doesn't take much, just a willing mind and eager to get started. Click on the link below. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Bye-bye.